In 1992, singer Tony Curtis teamed up with Jigsy King for the song Butterfly, which was produced by Roof International. Tony shares the backstory behind that song in our FiWi Culture segment.
Yeah man, this is Tony Curtis. I'm going to tell you something. Just listen out for the story of how my first hit song came about, called Butterfly, between me and Jigsy King. Check it out.
Do you catch the new relic?
Butterfly.
Hey, yeah.
Butterfly.
Mashing up the whole district. Yeah. Driving all the young girls wild.
Butterfly.
Come and do the butterfly.
Tony, Butterfly, how did the concept for that song come about? What inspired it?
All right. Butterfly was a dance originated in Kingston, Jamaica. And everybody was doing it, you know? Everybody was trying to make a song of the new dance that was coming. And me and Jigsy King was there after we just signed with Roof, just won the contest. And we were at the studio and he was telling me about this new dance named Butterfly. I said, Butterfly? What that I gonna make? Jigsy come to me with it, you know. And say, oh, that I gonna make? So I say, just sing something about Butterfly, man, and finish it up, man. So me then at the studio was RFM, Barry O'Hare was the engineer, and I was there as a little young lad, thinking, wondering, what should I sing? And then a little melody come into my brain, and it was like, do you catch the brand new lick? Butterfly. Jigsy come in and say, Butterfly.
Dance butterfly, it on the latest style. Some girl, them a dream on them can't do it right. Oh man, overload the foot like a ride, you a rider. Then knock your knee, then start it the glider.
Do you catch a brand new lick? Machine up the old street, yeah. Hey, driving all the young girls wild. Broke one and butterfly. And him say, Mr. V dance butterfly. I say, take out the me say. Just say dance butterfly. Because me is a man very instrumental when it comes to my music. I said, even though I was young and he might say, no man, I said, no, take out the me say, just say dance butterfly. Dance butterfly, that's the latest style. And everybody in the studio was like, boom, 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 I hate that. The producer, which is Courtney Cole, big up yourself, Father Cole, he was the one that come in the studio and he must say, yes, this sound good, you know, this sound like a hit, you know, boy. And him did a groove to the rhythm and the engineer a groove to the rhythm and everybody from out of the studio where I work at the time.
Dance butterfly, it on the latest style. The latest style when the girls them like. Dance butterfly on the latest style.
We record the song and we carry it out the road and we go play it up at Roof International and everybody up there was like, yes, yes, so you do the dance. And we never know if we do the dance because we are go like so. We are go like so. The man said, no, I saw you have to do wiggle your foot and come in. And we say, oh. So we do the dance and we do the song and Courtney was like, we could carry it, go to Stone Love and make Stone Love try it out and we bring it, go to Stone Love and Stone Love test it and everybody was like, yes, youth, this gone.
Alright guys, that is how we close this week's episode 800 to be specific, of Pree Dis Show. But before we go, Eddie, since you have joined the team, bro, what has been your favorite memory?
Honestly, I don't have one specific one, but I could say the overall amount of trips we've went on, as well as the amount of people we've interviewed, it's been a pleasure so far, and I really appreciate everyone who supports Pree Dis.
And we appreciate you too, bro. And we appreciate you most of all, because if we never tune in every single week, we wouldn't have a show. Zin? So big up on yourselves. Thank you for tuning in, and don't forget, we're there again next week. I'm Naldo, this is Eddie, and we out.